us all take an in-breath. This is a luxurious in-breath, like no other. Breathing in. And then breathing out, just a soft sigh. And then soften the face, soften the shoulders, and soften the body. Letting go. Again, taking a breath in. And then breathing out. So this is learning how to let go and learning how to soften, because this is very important to stay not only alive, but to stay thriving with all the commotion and all the chaos around. Okay, and chaos even of your own thought forms. So again, so the feeling is we're not just doing something, we want to feel it, we want to connect. Now in breath, normally people breathe very shallow. That means all the goodness of the life force and the essence, we only take in 10%. 90% is not entering. So when we breathe, normally we go, and the air we constrict in. We supposed to let the breath, so it's called a down through my body loving breath. So it's not just ordinary breath, it's a down through my body. So you feel the energy, the breath has to come down, loving breath. So take it right here to this amazing golden pot, in Chinese Tai Chi Qigong. This is called your Dan Tian. Dan means intrinsic energy, Tian means field. This is your reservoir. So if you're not filling your reservoir, it's like no rain, reservoir, not enough water, you will go thirsty. True? So you want to breathe to take that breath down. So the lesson has already begun. How to thrive in the breath. Okay? So the second thing is feeling. When you breathe, it's not just, it's like the breath is the most beautiful silk going in. And you are receiving, you are drinking in. And then when you breathe out, you soften. Then all your channels open. Does that make sense? Because normally you are tight. Too much thinking. This is the common illness. It's called too much thinking. And all your troubles are born from thinking. If you were incapable of thinking, you will be a happy bunny 24/7. It is true. All the problems just, oh, hello, beloved. Hidden away from namaste. A very good place. So all the problems we think, exactly, you think. But if you were incapable of thinking, you'd be very happy. True?
True.
Yes. Yes. So it's so simple, the recipe to happiness. What is it? Stop thinking. Stop thinking. 2 words. Did you get that, beloveds? Okay. So just take a moment, as we know we are. Oh, there's somebody outside. Please let the beloved in. We can squeeze more. We can squeeze 10 more people in here. When we first started the center, our beautiful architect designer, who is now a student, he said this place will be very comfortable for 12 or 13 people to meditate. Then we had a soft opening and it was over 50 people. We packed them in. Are there any students upstairs?
Yes.
Because of you, they cannot sit here. They have to sit upstairs. Namaste, beloveds. Upstairs. They are. Teacher can see them. Because this is so amazing to be together. To have this opportunity. So we are full house. In fact, we're over full. We have to tell people there is no space. And then there are a few people who manage to squeeze in last minute. Even when we're full. That's right. One beloved Ordelia just from this morning. Amazing. And you managed to change your dinner appointment? Your dinner? Wow. So this is called a feast. Right? You change it from dinner and this is a feast. It's a feast of love. Then there are 21 countries joining us from all over the world. They are online, so we are about over 230 beloveds, and this is only by invitation. We haven't even advertised. It's not available on the outside, so each person has come in by invitation. Because the beloveds, they're either connected by students or they have been doing the training, rather than somebody just coming in, oh, I'm curious, what is this, and not really be present, okay? So first thing, time is precious. If we are here, we have to make this count. This cannot be just another something you come and sit and then you go away and then you forget about it. So tonight, we really hope we can do some powerful switching on. It's like you have all these amazing, incredible doors, 1,000 of them, and they've been shut. So we're going to activate and open all the doors. So when we finish, you're going to float out in love. That's the idea. Do you know when people are in love, it looks like they're not walking? Is this true? Yes, they say, oh, they are like floating on air. They're so in love, they're so happy. Hands up those people who remembers that. Come on, stretch up. When you remember that, we are stretching our heart meridian. That's it. Remember the feeling of being in love, right? It feels like we are, you know the film Snowman? A long time ago, the animation of Snowman. What is the first verse? We're walking in the air. We're walking in the midnight sky. Something like that. You feel like you're walking in the air, but you're flying, right? So this is the effect of love. Love gives us wings. You're here tonight because of love.